So I'm going to walk you guys step by step guide on how you can trade the new listed token on MEXC Exchange. And first of all, I'm going to also show you guys how you can set up your MEXC Exchange. Alright, so if you're just coming across this video for the first time, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the video notification. Whenever we drop a content like this, you'll be the first person to notify. Alright, so first and foremost, you make sure that your MEXC Exchange has been verified, right? So once your MEXC Exchange has been verified, this is how it's going to show, right? So once you are done with everything, okay, now let's jump into another site, how to deposit money on MEXC Exchange. All right, so how to deposit money on MEXC Exchange? You come to wallet over right here, so you see deposit. Then once you click on deposit, you can see a lot of options are here. Okay, you can see, please select the deposit method, right? So I have crypto, I don't have crypto. Okay, now you can see on-chain deposit. Okay, so this on-chain deposit actually means transferring crypto from others' wallet. Okay, so how do you go about this, right? So once you click on the on-chain deposit, it's going to take you to, you can decide to use any token of yours. If you want to use USDT, or you want to use BTC, or you want to deposit Ethereum, or you want to deposit Solana. Okay, in this case, let's say we want to use USDT because it's recommended to you to trade on USDT, right? So once you click on USDT, all right, so you can see select network. You can decide maybe to use TRC20, that is Tron. TRC20, you can decide to use BNB, Smartcoin, Web20. A lot of them are here. So in this case, now we are going to deposit. For instance, let's say we want to deposit TRC20. So you click on TRC20 over here. Then also once you click on TRC20 or something like this, maybe you click it, you see something like this, you can decide maybe to copy this, right? Once you copy this, you make sure the wallet you are sending the money to this must be TRC20. If you don't use the same wallet like this, you might lose your money. Okay, let me come back again. Now it must be, if you want to deposit money into here, it must be TRC20. You cannot use, maybe for instance, let me say maybe Ethereum. You cannot use maybe for instance BTC network to TRC20, right? If not, you lose your funds. All right, so that is that, take note of it. Okay, let me show you guys another option on how to deposit. So you click on deposit again. Maybe you want to use P2P, or you can actually buy crypto through support buying crypto via maybe your Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal and bank transfer, anyone you want to use. Okay, once you are done, maybe you are done depositing your money, right? Then you come to home, right over here. Once you come to home, or you want to know where your money is being deposited, right, or landed. Once you deposit your money, you see your money on spot. You just go to spot, right? That's where you see your funds. Let's say you want to transfer this money, you want to move your money from spot wallet to futures, right? So you come over here, so you see transfer, you click on transfer. So let's say for instance your money was on spot, right? So what you do, you come ahead and click here, right? So from spot to this thing, then you just put the amount that you want to use. Okay, for instance, now I don't have money on my spots wallet, right? So I have only money on my futures wallet. Okay, for instance, let me say I want to take $1 from my futures wallet to my spot wallet, right? So once I'm done, I'm going to put the $1, so I will click on transfer, right? So automatically when I click on transfer, the money automatically goes to my spot wallet. Now, right, on another stage, now how can I get this new listed token, right? Okay, this is where you can get this new listed token. Okay, you come to home here. Once you come to home, right, so what you do, you can see favorite, hot, gainers, losers, and new, right? So you can just click on the new, so you can see these are the new listed token. Okay, in other ways, you can come over here, take note of this, come to this search bar, click on this search bar, so you can see hot search, new listed. In this case, we are looking for new listed token, right? So you come to new listed. So once you come to new listed, these are all the new listed tokens. So this one has already been listed, right? So this one has already been listed, so you can see there is no opportunity on futures trading for new listed tokens. So all these ones you are seeing over here is on spots, right? So we are only okay, so today we are only dealing today how to trade the new listed token on futures, right? are this moon peak USDT, right? So you come over here now, right? So I'm going to show you guys one strategy on how you can use to make money over right here. But before I do this, make sure you like this video, like I said, and also check the video description. You'll see our Telegram group, because that is where I'm going to be sending you guys free signal, right? Okay, now let's go ahead. Now let me tell you guys one secret over here, how you can use to make money here, right? So this is the interesting part, right? So you can use from $100 or starting from $20, yeah, right? So what you're going to do over here, so this coin, when this coin was released, right, now you can see that this coin pump up. Okay, so once you see this coin, maybe you miss the opportunity. What I would recommend you to do, once you see something like this, don't rush for you to buy, just exercise patience. So right, maybe you can go to 15 minutes time frame. Once you go to 15-minute time frame, you see something like, just allow it the first candle, then you go back to your 1 hour time frame, just allow it, then okay, then you come back to your 1 day time frame, right? Now once you come here, you see something like this, the coin is still shaking, just leave it. What you are going to do is for you to just open sell, just sell it, right? So how do you do the sell, right? So you come to open. So let's say for instance, so you can see over here, so for what you do, you allow it to be on cross, right? So right, you can see isolated, so you can just put it on cross, right? So once you put it on cross, then you come to your leverage, right? So once you come to your leverage, you can decide to be, okay, I want to use like 4x, then you confirm 4x, then you can see, you just come over here, so okay, how many percent do I need to risk, right? You can just say, okay, I want to risk like 24% or 5%, right? So once everything is confirmed over right here, just like I show you here, so the next thing that you would do, you come to open short, right? You just click on this open short. Okay, so once you click on this short, automatically it's going to say, right, you sell it. Now let me show you another thing. Now let's go back to home, right? So now before a coin is being released, what you see next, you are going to see something like this. So it's going to see something like this. So you wait for this countdown until when it is done, right? Finish counting down. That is when you know, okay, the coin has been released. In some case, if you see a coin that is, maybe it was listed and it was still on countdown, so maybe you don't see it again, what I would recommend you to do is just for, maybe you can take a screenshot of it. Then once you take a screenshot of it, maybe you can just copy the name, right? For instance, so I will just place some copy right here, then maybe I will save it somewhere, maybe either my Telegram or my WhatsApp, right? So maybe you don't see this coin again, right? You don't see it again. What you do, just come and paste it here on this search bar. You just come here and paste it, right? So once you paste it, automatically you're going to see, maybe you can just highlight it here, right? You add to favorite, so that is when you see it. Okay, that is that, right? So that is that. So if you learned something new in this video, don't forget to like this video and turn on the video notification. So I'm going to do a live trading when there is opportunity to show you guys, right? Thank you guys. Peace out, guys.